Here we got a 67 Chevelle with a 327. I don't know if that's your original 327, doubt it. Got the AC in there. I mean, it could be a 383, 350, I don't know. It's got 327 badge on there though. So, and got the red on red interior. Probably a turbo V50 with a high stall converter and a shift kit. It's got the tack located on the console, which is that's how it was from the factory. Red on red. Red striped tires like the originals, man. That's very much original styles. Red striped tires, man. See, it's all rubbed out. No orange peel in this sucker at all. Flat, smooth paint. The Chevelle basically changed its style in pretty much every year. 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 were close except for the taillights. 70 was all different. 71, 72. In the beginning, they were changing its style every year, man, pretty much.